Hi and welcome to our Turkey vlog. This will be our second trip to Turkey and this is to the Dead Sea Ulu Deniz. And here's our charming little hotel. Let me show you around. Counting his money. This is obviously the bathroom. There's a bidet installed, as is for most European countries. We've got the bedroom and we have some amenities it's equipped with here, a TV, we got some complimentary water, coffee, and here we are about to go see the balcony. This is the balcony. It's small but charming, a little table to relax on every morning and have your coffee. This guy hanging out on the beach with his parrot insisted that we get photos so he could charge us for them. I honestly was happy with the way the photos turned out and the experience.
Look, don't scared, okay? Just your legs little up. Don't close the window, okay? See, it doesn't dangerous. Don't scared, don't scared.
Okay.
Come on. Jump.
Now we have my little merman here taking a dip in the sea. And these rocks are no joke to walk on. There was a lot of wildlife at this hotel. You see a wild boar. Who would have expected that? And a turtle. French time. This is called Butterfly Valley. We took a bus up the mountain to get there. You can see the English translation here says no entry, and I just thought it was funny because that guy was right there. Just the way they spelled pomegranate was funny. We stopped at a cafe for a while, and this was a stunning view. We took a boat tour through the Bosphorus Strait. There's Ali and his beautiful mother. We took the opportunity to go down to the first deck in the front of the ship. We saw another passenger hand feed one of the pigeons, and so Ali decided to give it a try. He clearly wasn't successful, but we had fun anyways.
They're fighting.
another gorgeous view we had from a cafe.
El yıkamak için de buradan çıkıyorsun hemen sola. Hatta şu
We ate way too much food, but it was all inclusive and we had to make the most of it. We found a Cocker Spaniel, same breed of the dog I grew up with, and it was owned by a cafe owner.
Should I give him bread?
no.
Chilling by the pool with Ali's mom, that drink was custom made by an employee there. When we arrived back home, we shared our goodies with my mom and grandma. Ali made some Turkish coffee for them. And here are some photos from the trip that I like to add to the end. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you will stay around and watch the other videos we have coming up from our trips this upcoming year. We have some fun places we'll be going, and we think you will enjoy those as well. Take care, and we will see you in the next one.